Hey guys, so I want to tell you about a course that I run called Winning at LinkedIn. So this is a course that I put together where we look at everything, giving an overview of LinkedIn, what makes a great profile that will attract people to you, how you can use LinkedIn for lead generation, how you can build connections and strong connections, as well as so much more as well. We'll look at the tools you can use to save time. We'll look at how you can use different strategies to, whether that's build connections, whether it's to actually engage with people and bring them across the line as potential customers, or so much more. So if you're thinking about using LinkedIn, or you're using LinkedIn and you're not sure about how you go about doing it for success, make sure you check out the dates for the courses, grab a seat, and let's get you winning at LinkedIn.